KISW.
Spanning the globe to bring you the constant variety of sport, the thrill of victory, and the agony of defeat. This is
the BJ Shea Morning Experiences Intern Challenge.
Spicolli here at Pike Place Market for yet another intern challenge. Today, my job is to have 60 seconds to get somebody to belch for me. When I say go, the timer will start. 3, 2, 1, here we go. Alright, so like gross teenage fat guys just hanging around. Maybe I could approach them and they'll embarrass themselves for the cause. Fine. Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir.
What can I do for you?
Can you belch for me?
No, I can't.
No, you can't. Alright, moving on. Oh, this man here can. I think. We got a two-part harmony here. Thank you guys so much.
I used to be able to sing it.
Well, that was quick, that was fast, that was fun. I've been Intern Spicolli, and that was another intern challenge.
The BJ Shea Morning Experience on 99.9 KISW.